Inspection Master's PS12000 DS Plus software upgrade for 2013 provides a more stable platform with an enhanced operator interface and additional sorting capabilities. The upgraded operator interface has 3 levels of access, so that the only buttons and functions needed are displayed depending on who is operating the sorter. The day-to-day floor operators only need a minimal set of buttons, while a supervisor can have access to more functions. The PS12000 DS Plus always powers up at the operator level. To change access levels, select the button with the padlock. The default is level 1 operator. To change to the supervisor level, select number 2 supervisor from the menu button. Select OK and the screen has additional functions such as training, setting the average nut size for size sorting, reverse sorting, air valve test, and the ability to learn and analyze how the sorter sees your product. The plus in the new 2013 software upgrade refers to the addition of shape and size test to improve the PS12000 sorting ability. There are instances when an unwanted object has similar near-infrared and color signatures as a good product. The shape test will analyze its shape and will eject some unwanted material that was previously accepted in earlier software versions. To illustrate, we have 4 items captured in the image area: a good pecan, a stick tight, a green husk, and a long stick. We have only the infrared test and the color test turned on, as was the previous software without shape or size. We turn on the object analysis to see what the sorter would do with these objects, and the red dot signifies that those objects would be ejected based on our settings of infrared and color. In the object analysis windows, a green color signifies objects that are good, while the red color signifies bad material to be ejected. The near-infrared analysis window shows the good nut to be accepted. The dark stick tight is to be ejected. The green stick tight in the near-infrared test, because of its moisture content, appears good. And the stick also appears good in near-infrared. In the color analysis window, the good nut is good. The dark stick tight is detected as good because it lacks any green husk color. The green stick tight is detected and will be ejected. And again, the stick, because it is similar to the color of a good nut, is not ejected. So in these scenarios, we would blow with infrared the stick tight, and with color the green husk, but both the stick and the good will pass. If we turn the shape test on, we clearly eject the stick because it's a different shape than any of the others, and therefore it is ejected. Another addition to the 2013 software upgrade is the size feature. This feature provides the ability to separate unwanted objects that are much smaller and much larger than a good product. Also, the addition of the size test may provide some plants with an additional sorting capability. Clean good nuts can be run through the PS12000 to sort out smaller nuts or large size nuts from an average size. To illustrate this, here there are 3 sizes of good nuts. If we want to run just all good nuts and eject either very small nuts or very large nuts from the average size, we would turn off the other test cases, and to eject just small from the flow, we turn off large, and we have, through training, have established that center nut as the set size, and this number then ejects anything that is less than whatever that number is, at this point 75% of the set size. At this point, nothing is smaller than 75%, but if we begin to raise that number up to, and watching the small nut, at 80%, we then have the red dot, therefore we're ejecting the smaller nut because it is less than 80% of the train size average. In the same way, if we want to eject larger nuts, separating them from the average size, then we would turn off the small and only use the large. And we begin by bringing this number down, and at this point, at greater than 135%, we're now blowing this size because it is bigger than 135%.